quite the little storm on its way. Oof. Oh, I hope this video picks this up. The lightning is just amazing. It's coming. Now it's starting to thunder too. Oh, it was actually up in the clouds. I was catching actually bolts, but I think it's clouding up too much for that now. Oh, come on, show me more lightning. Except not real close. I don't want to be struck. Whoa. Maybe I should go in. Please don't let that be the famous last words. Or infamous. It's flashing a lot, but it's still way off in the distance. And because it's gotten so cloudy over there, the lightning's not showing up as well. Not doing so well now. Okay, now I feel like a jackass for holding electronic equipment up to a thunderstorm that's coming. So I'm going to turn it off. Thank you for the fireworks, God. Just no tornadoes, floods, damage, straight line winds, floods. No damage or hurt of any kind. Amen.